Just a short video on the differences between the Centurion D5 Evo Smart gate motor cover and the Centurion D5 Smart, which has now been rebranded as the Centurion D6 Smart. So the only difference between the two covers is that the Centurion D6 Smart cover is a little bit higher, as it needs to accommodate a taller electrical motor that fits into the gate motor and obviously the twin battery system. So what you can do, and I think what's going to happen, is that there's going to be a mix match between covers and gate motors, and clients are going to be sold D6 Smarts, where in actual fact it's going to be a D5 Evo Smart. That's unfortunately what's going to happen, but we'll wait and see. Just quickly show you here. On the left we have a Centurion D5 Evo Smart gate motor, which is complete with its cover. On the right hand side we have a Centurion D5 Smart, which has now been rebranded as the Centurion D6 Smart. So what we found is that the base of the gate motors are exactly the same. Just going to quickly show you here. Unlock it there. We're going to take the gate motor cover off, and we're going to take the D5 Smart, which is the D6 Smart currently. That fits on there. There's the key. Interesting. I think there's many that we're going to find with the stripping and inspection of this Centurion D5 Evo Smart sliding gate motor from Centurion Systems. Just quickly show you, we have here the Centurion D5 Evo Smart. That's a complete motor. Next to it we have a Centurion D6 Smart anti-theft bracket. Just want to show you that if you do put the D6 Smart cover onto the D5 Evo Smart gate motor, you will see that the D6 Smart anti-theft does fit on the Centurion D5 Evo Smart gate motor. That's it. So if we remove the cover, the anti-theft and the cover, then you can see the difference in height. So one can fit a Centurion D6 anti-theft bracket onto a Centurion D5 Evo Smart gate motor. You're just going to have quite a lot of play on the top there. You can always, if you do have this situation where you do get a anti-theft bracket for the D6 Smart, that you can call us and we can cut it shorter and modify it for you so that it fits the D5 Evo Smart gate motor completely nice, just like it should be.